Hey, what's up everyone? Got a 2006 Hyundai Tiburon door handle assembly. Basically we're going to get this going. Let's put this part in here, this little grommet, and get one on the other side as well. Some of these door handles you can buy on Amazon for cheap or eBay, and they come disassembled, so this is going to have to put them together. Put these pieces in right here. Now on the back here, let's take this white piece, and there's a little slot in it. Put it in this little edge part, push it in here, and then make sure the front parts of this white clip into place correctly, like this. That's what it should look like. Alright, now we got this short pin. This short pin is going to go right here, but first we got to put this door handle part in this hole. Go ahead and slide in here carefully. It'll barely be able to slide through these grommets on. Okay, once you got that in, let's put this cushion on the front here. This cushion goes right here, but for right now we're just going to put it on the handle itself. So got that on like that. Now we could just kind of push this handle down in place. Now with that in, we're going to put our short pin in here now. Short pin goes right in the hole. Make sure it goes through the grommets on the handle, and that will hold the handle in place. So your handle should kind of work normally now. This part is next. So if you have an old one, you could reference it a lot. That's what I would do. Just stare at this. You see the spring? That's kind of the most important part. This spring has to be exactly the same on the new one. So first we're going to put this little grommet guy in. Put him in the hole on this lever. Try to match up the old one, or just match up this video. Now with that done, we're going to take this small spring, and the small spring goes on this little cylinder part. And it's very important that the square part of the spring goes on the handle, like the plastic. It rests on the plastic, and the little hook part of the spring hooks on this little little part that sticks out right here. So once that's all together, you're going to put this lever. The lever part goes in this little square part on the door backing. It's kind of easy just to look at. You see I have it in. And make sure your spring looks like mine, with that little hook piece on the bottom part. Alright, once that's in place, you should be it should work like this. When you pull the handle, it should pull the lever back like that. Alright, now this little white piece is kind of like a cushion and like a spacer that goes on this black part. I think that's to just kind of make the handle grab it more and not be loose. So like that, alright? And then once you have it all assembled, you could put it in your door. Your lock piece, once you have it back on the door itself, you'll put your lock piece in. You just kind of put it in and then turn it and twist it in place. So you put it in like this, and then you twist this, and then the bolt holes would line up like that with the bolt holes on the handle assembly. And then you put your little levers from the door panel in these spots. But that's it, guys. So good luck on getting it in, and we'll go ahead and get the thing in.